Good.
Be good, Barkley. Stay away from the kitty.
Oh, there's other dogs. Oh,
Good, Barkley.
there's a cat. Oh, Barkley, sit down. Calm down. Calm down. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy.
Good,
boy.
Barkley.
Good Barkley. Just come. Oh, he sees the cat. Oh, look at that
Sorry,
little
our
kid.
doggy
Oh,
sees your kitty.
Sit down, Barkley. Calm down. That's it. Calm down.
You see, the amazing Mumford did a trick today, and he made Barkley, the dog, invisible. But Mr. Mumford doesn't know how to make him visible again, so that's why we're here, to see if the vet can make it so we can see him again. He's very excited, though, isn't he?
Yeah, it must be the other dogs and cat.
Yeah, well, maybe we should play a game to calm him down.
Play a game?
Sure.
What kind of game can we play in this waiting room? You know a game that we can play? Three of these things? Oh, it's his favorite game. And it'll calm him down, really.
Oh, great. Hey, do you want to play?
Yes.
Oh, boy. Okay.
What are we going to play with?
Oh.
Barkley, the two dogs, and the cat. Okay.
Good. Three of these pets belong together. Three of these pets are kind of the same. But one of these pets just doesn't belong here. Now it's time to play our game.
It's time to
Play our game. Let me see if I know the answer. Let's see, you've got Barkley and another dog, that little teeny one, and a cat. So I think I know the cat is different because a cat is a cat and Barkley and the other dogs are dogs.
That's right.
Yeah.
Very good, Big Bird.
Yeah.
Also, the cat is in a carrying case and the dogs are on leashes. So the cat's different for two reasons.
Yeah.
Very
Oh,
good.
that was good.
But you know what? I think there's another answer.
Another answer.
Yes, Barkley.
Barkley, but Barkley's a dog.
Yes, but Barkley is invisible, and the other two dogs you can see.
Oh, that's right. Well, it makes him different, all right.
Uh-huh.
Very good.
You're right. Barkley's calm.
Oh, yes. Good boy.
Linda and Barkley.
We'll explain it. Whoop, pardon me.
Good.